kids crafts and more. First thing we're going to do our snack first, because I just melted some candy melts, orange candy melts, which you will get in your packet, and we're going to make a pumpkin. It's going to be a little square pumpkin. And we're going to put if you don't work with the candy melts really fast, they harden up on you. So we're going to do this first, and you're going to cover your graham cracker. I'll let it get a little hard with frosting. It's getting hard on me. All right, we're going to put our eyes on. Get 2 edible eyes here. Then you've got some mini chocolate chips for his mouth. Whoops. Whoops, it's not going to stay on. That frosting's getting now. Then, oops, get a little frosting on him there. There we go. Well, maybe not. That's why I say you have to work really fast with candy melts, because it gets real hard. Well, just maybe let it get too hard. So as soon as you melt it, you need to do it. Well, here it is. Or it'll harden up on you just like mine did. Now, the last thing that we're going to put on there is his little stem, and you get a green, it's a green rainbow chip. It came out of the rainbow chips. So we'll put that on there. There's your little pumpkin. He looks a little deformed, doesn't he? But it's your pumpkin. You can fix him any way you want to, but work with your candy melts really quick so it doesn't get too hard on you, okay? Now we're going to go back to our craft. And this is our spooky jar. You will get a mason jar. You get 20 cotton balls. And you will get a light stick. You put your light stick down in the middle. Work your cotton balls around so you can get light in there. Right now you can't tell, but it will glow in the dark. And then you have your spiders that you put there. So you have your spooky little spider jar. And you put your lid on it. You can put that by your bed at night. And it will glow in the dark. Like I said, you can't tell now, but you can see your light stick in there. And for your STEM project, we've got this sheet that we will give you to tell you how to do your pumpkin. And this is your project sheet that you're going to get for your candy corn. In your STEM project, you're going to work with candy corn. You're going to use 1 cup that's going to have water in it, and you're going to put your candy corn in there and see what happens when it gets in the water. All the color comes off. Then we're going to add some water in this and put your candy corn in the microwave and see what happens when it gets hot. And the other one, you're going to put your candy corn in the freezer. So if you've got a little Ziploc bag, you can put your candy corn in the freezer and see what happens to your candy corn in the freezer. And then you mark down your what happens on your sheet here. So you will get 10 pieces of candy corn. 1 goes in cold water, 1 goes in hot water, and the other one goes in the freezer. So tell us what happened. You decided. Okay? And the amount of time is going to be left up to you. Okay? We'll get a little water in there. And we'll put 2. Like I said, you'll get 10. We'll put 2 in there. And then we're going to put some water in here. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave. Oh, we'll put it in there for about 45 seconds. And then we'll drop 2 pieces of candy corn in that and see what happens. And then that gives me 2 more pieces of candy corn to put in the freezer. And if you want to eat that's left over, you can do that. And of course, you've got to eat your pumpkin, okay? So you'll get a whole graham cracker and you're only going to decorate 1. So you'll have an extra half that you can snack down on. All right, let's see. It should be just about through. Yeah, you can see it's bubbling. So we're going to put. Okay. What you might do is give yourself 30 minutes after you get your other 2 in the freezer. Give yourself, set a timer for 30 minutes and come back and check all 3 of them. The one that's in regular water, the one that's in boiling water, and one that's in the freezer. And see what's happening. Then check them again the next morning and see what's happening. See if you've got any color left. You may not have any color left on it. And see what happens in the hot water. Of course, it'll cool down. And then, of course, check what's happened in the freezer. And let us know how your experiment worked out. I hope you enjoy this kit. Come by the library and pick it up. You'll have all of this that I worked with today in your kit. And it will be out Tuesday morning at 9:30. Okay? We put out 24 kits, so come in and get one. If you're not able to come in and pick it up that day, call us and we'll put it out for curbside. And then you can come and pick it up when you can. Hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.